does it get quiet? Time was supposed to extinguish the desire, but the embers won't snuff out. Haunted by your smiles, the mask keeps getting heavier. One step forward, two steps back. There's a noose round my neck, and the further I get, it's harder and harder to breathe. And I find a way to cut the rope. I've been waiting for dawn, but the light is all gone. Don't know if I'm already blind, and I leave it all behind. What's it really for if it's not yours and it's not mine? This victory is not what I hoped for. How was I to know that everything would end up like this? Survival of the fittest of sorts. So I become the bringer of death.